Welcome to the Auditor Minute, a micro-learning session for auditors, made to be convenient, bite-sized, and flexible. Today we kick off our very first Auditor Minute by reviewing tips on how to audit and record findings for RSPO purchasing and goods in. Let's begin with a brief reminder. To effectively audit, you should aim to triangulate evidence. This means confirm findings using three methods: observation, interview, and review of documentation. Note, there are times when all three methods are not possible. In those cases, good practice is to aim for at least two. Section 5.4 of the RSPO Supply Chain Standard specifies the requirements of purchasing and goods in. Proper procedures must be in place for receiving and verifying RSPO inputs. Records must contain the proper details as listed in 5.4.1. Relevant personnel must be knowledgeable in the procedures for receiving and verifying RSPO inputs and applicable documents. Next, we will review examples of evidence triangulation for this particular requirement. So, how can we audit this requirement using triangulation of evidence? We can observe actions, such as the use of operating systems or receiving of products. We can review documents, such as procedures and incoming supplier documents, such as a COA or BOL. We can interview personnel involved in purchasing and receiving of certified products. To record findings, we should be descriptive. Here's an example of findings for a single-site audit. For example, we describe what was observed, the specific documents reviewed, and names of contacts interviewed. Here we have sample findings for a multi-site audit. For example, we describe what was observed at each site, the specific documents reviewed, including site-specific documents, and names of contacts interviewed, including site-specific contacts. Remember, when possible, confirm findings using three methods: observation, interview, and review of documentation. Well, that wraps up our quick review today. The Auditor Minute is intended to be a quick and convenient snapshot. This is not a substitution for annual training or other training requirements. Feel free to replay, pause, and take notes. If you have questions or need clarification, please do not hesitate to reach out. Thank you for your time.